These two terminals are the fiber optics that is jumped once inside the connector. So we're going to go on the inside and make the connection happen inside the amplifier itself and see if that works. So let's open this. So take the small screwdriver out. Be careful not to strip it, because that way then you'll be forced to do some of the ugly jobs that I have seen out there. People just flipping this cover open from the other side. So now I'll take a flat screwdriver and stick in here to separate that, and we'll flip the top open. What I'm doing is I'm just putting the flathead screwdriver against here and just prying the top as I move along the perimeter of the amplifier here, just to separate this.